I've got this crazy, super annoying squeaking noise coming off the window of my Prius. If you guys have been following along, you know I just put a JDM engine in here. And I'm wondering if the front window cowling, or whatever you want to call it, there's a piece of plastic with some vents on it that go around the windshield wipers. I wonder if that's causing this. I think it's old plastic. It's super cold today. It's like 2 degrees, and it's really squeaking like every bump. You can hear it, so it drives me wild. I'm going to check it out. So I've decided to do it this way, and I've got this. I don't know. It's like a little scraper spatula thing, and the reason I use this is it's really, really thin. And then I'm going to take some of this cloth tape. I'm going to put on the end of this, and the reason I'm using cloth tape is because it can soak up a little bit, just a little bit of the material you'll decide to put on your window in that seal. And I don't necessarily want to have it totally on the spatula here. I'm actually going to leave a little bit out in front of the spatula that I can just get this part in there and then create the lube for this. So when I've got this set up, it's just like this, a little bit of flap on the end, and we'll put a little bit of lubricant on there, and we'll get that under our seal on our window. And if there's any dirt in there, this tape is kind of textured, so hopefully it'll pull anything out of there. I had this heavy-duty silicone spray lubricant. It's compatible with rubber, and obviously glass will be fine on. So I wanted to make sure that whatever I put on that rubber edging isn't going to eat it away. I don't think WD-40 would either, but this is actual lubricant. WD-40 is not really good for lubricating, actually. And I think Armor All really isn't going to be long lasting. So I'm going to put this on there, clean it up, and run the spatula through and see how it works. So I'm just going to put a little on each side. Okay, and you can see it soaking in. I just started it under this edge over here, and I'm going to run it under. Okay, just keep pushing down in there, keep going down. And I'm going to run it all the way down. Hopefully my tape doesn't fall off. You don't want your tape to get stuck under there. Just collect dirt then. It's supposed to seal the dirt out, and that's what's probably causing a squeak. And here we are, all the way to the other side. So, that right there, I'm pretty certain is going to take care of the little bitty crazy annoying squeak that I got going on there. And you can tell it's squeaking on the glass, like you can just hear the pitch of the sound. So hopefully that helps somebody out. I'm kind of driven nuts by squeaks in my car, so if I can find it, I'll fix it. So take care, good luck. Okay, so I took the window trim and I put some silicone on it, and I got to driving it out here tonight, a couple hours later after the treatment, and no squeaks. So that was it. Hope you guys found this useful. Take care. If you're enjoying this content, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.